Welcome to a new and exciting video. Today, we're flying into the sky to watch this incredible creator make an Airbus A380 Emirates Airline plane. Get your snacks and drinks ready, and watch this very satisfying process. Ramy started by making the fuselage using a 1/21 scale. That means the wingspan of the plane would be 3.8 meters. He designed and printed all of his own molds, which took over 3 weeks. He made the molds with 0.28 mm PLA, then coated them with 3 coats of primer. After that, he added a few coats of wax before adding the material for the actual fuselage. He used fiberglass and carbon fiber from 160 to 190 G that was fixed with epoxy. Fiberglass is a fiber-reinforced plastic with glass fibers embedded in a widely used plastic matrix. It is more affordable and flexible than carbon fiber, but still strong and lightweight. It is non-magnetic, non-conductive, and chemically inert, making it suitable for a variety of applications such as airplanes, boats, and orthopedic casts. Carbon fiber-reinforced polymers are a related composite material that uses carbon fiber. An airplane is made up of several major parts that work together to fly. Fuselage, wings, cockpit, engines, propellers, tail assembly, landing gear. Understanding the interaction of these two is essential to understanding aerodynamics and flight. The construction of an airplane requires special materials to ensure safety and efficiency. Titanium is used because of its high strength-to-weight ratio and corrosion resistance. Steel provides strength and durability in military aircraft. Aluminum is popular because of its strength, corrosion resistance, and lightness. Modern aircraft use composites such as carbon fiber for their excellent strength-to-weight ratio. Once his body was finished, he now worked on the wings by following the same method. First, he designed and printed 3D molds, which he then covered with fiberglass and carbon fiber. He also designed and cut all the plywood ribs to support the structure from the inside. Before we continue, let us introduce the creator of the day, Ramy. Ramy RC is a skilled RC plane enthusiast who is flying to new heights. With his passion for building and flying large RC planes, he shows his talent in designing and building this plane from scratch. Ramy's artistry shines through as he brings to life a smaller version of the real plane that flies across the sky with precision and skill. Start your journey into the wonders of aerodynamics and watch Ramy's RC plane fly. The Airbus A380, developed and manufactured by Airbus, has the distinction of being the world's largest passenger plane and the only full-length double-deck jet. The project began in 1988, when Airbus began studying the idea to challenge the Boeing 747 in the long-haul market. In 1990, the A380 project was officially announced, and in 1994, the then-designed A3XX project was presented. On December 19, 2000, Airbus launched the A380 program with an investment of €9.5 billion. The A380 has a full-size double-deck design with a typical seating capacity for 525 passengers and a maximum certified capacity for 853 passengers. The aircraft is powered by Engine Alliance GP 7200 or Rolls-Royce Trent 900 turbofan engines that offer a range of 8,000 nautical miles. As of December 2021, the A380 fleet had completed over 800,000 flights over 7.3 million block hours with an outstanding safety record. Currently, Ramy has made the engine cells and is moving on to wheel placement. Airplane wheels are made of conductive rubber to absorb the electricity generated by friction between the tires and the runway. Flexibility is an important element of the tire assembly, and Kevlar, a strong, lightweight, heat-resistant, and flexible plastic, is often used for airplane wheels. Ramy assembled the entire body and made sure that each part fit properly. A true craftsman or engineer is never afraid to test, as testing is essential to ensure that the final product works fully. The body is now complete, so he is now working on the inside of the plane. He reinforced a 3 mm plywood board with carbon fiber for electronics. This board will house the central box 400, where all the servos will be connected, all the controllers for the plane's retraction and lights, as well as the stabilization system and the 6 batteries. Everything looks more modern, as RC planes have evolved a lot since they were created. The history of radio control model airplanes began in 1936. However, it was not until the 1970s that RC aero modeling gained widespread popularity. One of the milestones was the creation of the Big Guff in 1938. Now that the plane is complete, it's time for the finishing touches, exterior decoration. This has two purposes: to make the plane more aesthetically pleasing and to add a final layer of protection to the fuselage. He decorated it like the Emirates logo, one of the A380 owner airlines. Emirates is one of two major airlines in the United Arab Emirates. The airline operates as a subsidiary of the Emirates Group, and in 2019, it is the largest airline in the Middle East, serving over 150 cities in 80 countries. With nearly 300 aircraft in its fleet, Emirates is a major player in the global aviation industry. As you can see, the plane is now complete and ready for its maiden flight. The maiden flight is the first time a plane takes off from the ground under its own power. This is an important and historic event, often flown by an experienced test pilot. As we watch it soar into the sky, we end this fantastic process. Don't forget to visit Ramy's channel and join his amazing community. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed and learned from the process.
Flaps 30. Flaps 30. Flaps up.